Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power off the Xbox, unplug every cable, and wait 10 minutes so residual charge dissipates. Lay the console on a flat, static-free surface and attach an anti-static strap to your wrist. This protects sensitive components. Remove the side panel by sliding it gently and set screws in a labeled container so you won't mix them up. These steps let you access internals safely. Once the shell is open, you can target dust without risking damage to boards or fans. Once the panel is off, clean systematically. Start with compressed air in short, controlled bursts from about 15 cm away. Hold the can upright to avoid liquid propellant. Use a soft anti-static brush to loosen dust in vents and around the heat sink. Brush carefully so you do not touch the PCB with bristles. If you use a vacuum, set it to low power and keep it at the air gaps only. That prevents strong suction from pulling components or dislodging connectors. Make sure to reassemble in reverse order. Seat panels, replace screws in their original locations, and reconnect cables firmly. Boot the console for a short test run. Listen for unusual fan noise and check operating temperature after about 15 minutes. If you still see overheating, loud fans, or errors, try reseating the fan connectors and inspect the thermal paste on the heatsink. If that feels beyond your comfort, contact support or a certified repair service. A common
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.